Okay, everybody's all about silent. Electric cars are super quiet, but some of you complain about there being a lot of noise in your Tesla. So people have come out with these rubber gaskets that go around the top and go in your door seals, and there's plenty of videos on that, but what really is the solution? Why is the car noisy? Well, there's two reasons. Number one, when there's a lack of engine noise, your ears pick up a lot more other noise. So the car, in essence, sounds louder and you hear more of the creaks and bumps and noises, but there's a lot contributing. So I figured, let's try a little experiment to reduce the noise outside of the gasket rubber situation. So we're at Home Depot. I need to pick up something. Let's go. Okay, I just want to take a quick moment to call out Brian from I1 Tesla. If you haven't seen his channel, check him out. He does a bunch of DIY stuff. In any case, a couple days ago, we were hanging out in North Carolina and we were just talking about YouTube ideas. We didn't do a collab, but this was actually one of those ideas. So thanks for the idea, Brian, and let's see how it turns out. All right, so I have taken painter's tape and painted the entire car, all of the seams as best as I could. What I think I got everything. I've got the window pillars. Now, obviously you can't open the door. So how am I gonna get in? We'll just Starsky and Hutch it, right? And just crawling through the window. That should be easy enough, right? Shoes are coming off. This is how you Starsky and Hutch in the car. See what I do for you? Remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That's what we gotta do. Now I got no shoes on, but it's fine. We'll figure it out. Let's get in, and I got my decibel reader, so we're gonna hear what the sound is and make sure the air is off, the music's off. Let's see if it's gotten quieter by taping up all the seals. Come on. Okay, so all of the gaps, for the most part, have been taped up with painter's tape. Of course, just my side is missing. I'm gonna get a little help with that after I roll up the window. But we've got the the decibel reader mounted right up there, so that way you'll be able to see what it is, and we'll check it as we're driving. I don't have a mount or anything like that, but I'll show you, and we're gonna go and test what it's like driving around with all of the gaps sealed to some degree. Let's take a look. I feel like a magician that's about to escape. Like this is my grand escape. I'm being locked inside the car, no way to escape, and I'm gonna figure it out, and the time is ticking. That's what it feels like. It's really hot in here, so I'm gonna turn the air on, cool down before we start the airless drive. Okay, so the car is fully taped up. We're on a straightaway road. It's a road that I feel safe about driving on, that I can go up to maybe 55, 60 miles per hour. We're gonna test it with the decibel reader, see what we get, and what we're looking for is we're looking at the high. Because I'm not at a constant speed of like 65, where we would measure the low, we wanna see what's the highest, what's the most amount of noise that the decibel reader is going to read, so we can see how loud it could potentially get in the car and whether that's been reduced from prior to having all the gaps sealed. So let's go. There's a car in front of me, so we're gonna wait for that to clear, and then we're gonna go on this road, probably try to get up to 60 miles per hour and see what the decibel reader reads. Okay, so what did we learn today? Should you waste your time buying this kind of stuff to reduce the noise in your car? Sure, if you can tell 1 decibel, but other than that, it doesn't really make sense to buy this sort of stuff to fill the gaps in your car. Hopefully my non-scientific test proved that, and you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, it's not worth it. See ya. Can't get out. Oh. Yeah, this is a pretty stupid test. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but hopefully you guys are entertained watching this crap and all this tape. Now let's get it all off, and let's see if I proved a point or I just looked dumb trying.